82B Minnie Street presents a unique office accommodation opportunity in Southport, Gold Coast, with 134 square metres of office accommodation containing 6 separate office areas. A boardroom, soundproof room, fully equipped kitchen, bathroom with bath and shower, and 2 toilets. There is also a 15 square metre sunroom, storage areas, a 36 square metre workshop/garage, and a 64 square metre 3-car triple carport and ample parking in the large central courtyard. The 792 square metre hatchet-shaped block offers excellent accessibility, strong surrounding amenity, and highly secure location. It is in a low-impact industry and associated services zone, but having been continuously habitated since before 2015, it can also be used as a residence and business premises. The office areas have phone and high-speed internet, video and audio connections to a communications hub. Phone, alarm and CCTV security systems and rooftop solar panels are installed. And 3-phase power lines have been run to the building. Entry is by a 3.5 metre wide driveway with an electric security gate. The property is bordered by 5.6 metre tilt slab walls on most of the 4 sides. Entry to the building is via the reception or boardroom, with an exit via the blue room. The workshop/garage has both roller door access and via a toilet laundry area. A cyclorama stage with sound dampening and lighting for video recording is currently installed behind the roller door, but is easily removed. Expressions of interest are invited before the 12th of June. For further information or to arrange an inspection, please call 1300 594 794 and quote property ID 40201.